Hello?
Hello po.
Hello, magandang umaga.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You are my 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth caller tonight. What's your name?
I'm Becca, 35. I'm from Bacolod.
Becca, like B-E-C-C-A?
Yeah,
Okay.
BECCA.
Screen name, ano? Kasi sinur mo sa utak mo kung tama yung spelling mo.
Name ko yan ng dog.
May dog ka?
Yeah.
Anong aso mo?
I have a lot of dogs po. Pero di ko lang masabi, baka ma-recognize ako eh.
Okay, sige. So you're known to having a lot of dogs.
Medyo.
Okay. So 35 years old from Bacolod, tama?
Yes po.
Okay. Hi, Becca. Good morning. Welcome to the show, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Becca?
Self-employed. Wholesale, retail, ganun lang.
Ma'am, may pera to guys, oh. Magsusulisit tayo dito.
Hindi. Ano lang yung small time lang po.
Ano kaya pwedeng hikiin natin dito? Anong amount kaya?
Actually, Kuya Jackson.
Kuya Jackson?
Sorry.
Kuya
Sorry
Jackson!
kasi parang wala ako sa self ko ngayon eh.
Yes, ma'am. Papa Jackson ba?
Papa Jackson, I'm sorry.
Mm.
Mga 2 days ago, ang funny nga kasi pag I do household chores, nakikinig ako, parang background noise, ganun.
Okay.
Then, napaisip ako, gusto ko tumawag pero wala naman akong like ganong kalaking problem or something.
Nagkaroon ka?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oo nga ako.
So, may problema ka ngayon?
Opo. It's about my boyfriend. Kaso it just happened tonight eh.
It happened tonight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tonight lang.
Gano'ng katagal na kayo ng jowa mo, Becca?
5 years.
5 years. Okay. And LDR kayo o hindi naman?
Di naman, pero he lives in the city kasi ako sa countryside. So, parang mag-travel.
Social, countryside.
Ano ba yung countryside na po?
Diba?
Probinsya, I'm sorry.
Ang tawag sa amin yan, pag social ka, far-flung community. Ganun.
Sorry.
Di, pero sa abroad kasi, countryside talaga ang tawag nila dyan, di ba? Where are you from? I'm from the country. Ganun.
Hindi ko kasi ako magaling mag-Tagalog, di dire-diretso.
Okay lang,
so
okay lang, ma'am. Don't be conscious. Okay. So, gaano ka, how long is the travel?
Mga an hour away lang naman.
Okay.
But, syempre, early yung work niya. Pero nagkita kami every weekend. Pumupunta siya sa bahay.
Okay.
I live alone.
Okay. Bakit? Asan ang family mo, ma'am?
Yung family ko lives in another house. Pero, dito din, same place lang. Kaso lang medyo, like, a few kilometers away.
So may napundar ka na?
Not really. Kasi parang, nagsistay ako currently sa ancestral house.
Oh my God, may ancestral house sila.
I don't know Papa Jackson, I don't know how to say it sa Tagalog. Basta,
ano yan? Lumang bahay. Ganun naman eh. Kami yung ancestral house namin, di naalagaan eh. Kaya wala na. Nabulok na. Ganun eh. Tsaka pag walang tumira sa bahay, nabubulok siya. Ganun, di ba? Anyways.
So, mostly yung relatives sa other countries. So, dito na lang ako para may tao.
Ba't ka nag-away kanina?
Actually, nagtitink ako before ng call. Like, paano kayo kwento? Pero, I don't know if it's because in shock ako. Di ako parang walang pumapasok sa mind ko. But, today actually, normal day lang naman. Then, out of the blue, nakipag-break lang.
Sino?
Yung boyfriend ko.
Bakit daw?
Yung sinabi, kasi this weekend, di kami nagkita kasi parang pumunta siya sa other place para sa work.
Okay.
Then, there was a day na walang work. Or parang convention kasi. Walang convention. So, nagstay siya sa hotel, then sa pool, ganun. Sabi niya, then nag-think siya about his age kasi he's almost 40. And
So
about
ano
us,
siya, nagkaroon siya ng
about life.
ng moments of reflections, parang gano'n.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then, yun lang. Na-realize niya na like, it's better to end the relationship. Ganyan. Just that.
Ano? Sorry, I didn't hear that. Ano po yun?
It's better to end the relationship na lang daw.
It's better to end the relationship. So nagkaroon siya ng moments of reflection at yun ang napagdesisyonan niya.
Yeah.
Bakit daw? Anong reflection nang nangyari sa kanya?
He didn't say anything. That's why I'm confused. Kasi, yun lang eh. He left me hanging kasi I tried calling him again and again. Kaso, di talaga nag-answer. Kasi yung boyfriend ko, di siya masyado masalita. With me, okay siya. But parang di siya yung during our relationship, parang di kami nag-uusap about sa problems or whatever. Siya. Di siya kasi ako, I've noticed, not really complain. I tell him na what I don't like para alam mo yun, maka-adjust sa isa't isa. Kasi I think if partners kayo or like boyfriend, girlfriend, much better na you talk things out. If may mga misunderstandings. Pero parang di siya ganun eh. I tried asking him naman before kung like or I told him na if there's something na di mo gusto about me, you tell me. Kasi minsan there are things na feel ko ginagawa ko na di ka aware na it's not nice pala.
So you told him that. It's in a way you're saying na I'm willing to adjust to your level of comfortability, parang ganun.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's practically aware that you'll do things for him. Tama.
Yeah. And he does things for me naman, especially when I tell him na I don't like this.
Okay.
Mga petty things.
Okay.
Ginagawa naman. But yun lang, he just ended the relationship with the... Then after that, so I started calling him again and again. Kaso lang,
wala namang
after,
third party.
Like maybe 10 times.
Walang third party involved dito.
For me, wala eh. Kasi every time he's here, I think kung may third party, you can tell naman eh. Every time he's here, I use his phone. Di ako nag-open na, but Netflix, we use his phone, ganon.
Okay lang yan. Kumbaga, tinanong ko lang yan, but you don't have to explain to me. Kasi mararamdaman mo naman yan eh. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi dahil wala kang basihan, pero makikita mo pag ginawa kami yung phone, bigla mag-flinch, diba? May ganun eh, diba? Wala namang ganun.
Wala. And also, di siya nag-chat the whole time na dito siya.
Okay. Kumbaga, he is not updating anyone. Okay. 5 years, right?
Yeah.
And then one day, he went to a convention, may swimming pool, and then he take a hard look at himself, and for no apparent reason, what he came up with was, gusto ko na makipag-break kay Becca. That's what he came up with. Tama?
Yeah.
And he did not tell you kung anong dahilan.
Hindi po.
Okay.
Then, I called him siguro mga 10 times tonight. And sabi ko, just answer the call. I just wanna talk. Di ko naman i-insist like if ayaw niya na talaga. Pero Papa Jackson is, it's 5 years, even 2 months siguro. Dapat when you break up with somebody, you tell the person why.
I agree.
Pero I feel like parang nag-ghost lang ako. Then, so I called them. Parang nung napunta sa message request siguro kasi di na delivered eh. Sent na lang. Then, tinawagan ko sa number.
Naka-restrict ka na.
Yeah, restrict. And tinawagan ko sa number din. Tapos, kasi parang sinat ako. Kasi may pera ako sa bank niya.
Okay.
Parang pinasend ko doon. Then, tinanong niya, how much nga yung ibibigay ko sa'yo, yung money mo here. Parang ganun. Pinasend niya. Yung pala, mag-break na.
So, kumbaga yung part ng transactional na lang yun, ano?
Siguro para wala na kaming connection sa isa kasi may pera ako sa bank niya.
Significant ba yung amount?
Ay, di naman. Pero para siguro wala. Kasi
para wala ka ng dahilang kulitin pa siya, parang ganun.
Oo, ganun.
Okay, question. I'm trying to find the reasons because I'm trying to find or maybe I'm trying to second guess na bakit. Pero ano ugali mo ang ayaw niya? Can you think of any?
These days or these past few years, we really fight na eh. So, mga over petty things lang siguro, I think. Like, minsan nagmamalditawan you're tired, ganun. Pero, di like to the point na mag-aaway talaga.
Normal naman yun, di ba? Yung mga silent wars, di ba?
Oo. Pero, di kami nag-aaway na matagal na for a long time. I mean, nag-aaway-aaway, but di na
nothing
for
major.
a day.
Nothing major.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can think of a few reasons then.
What?
Parang ang complicated kasi ng story. But yung gist is like, baka too complicated yung life ko. Ganun. For him. Kasi it's like, meron akong brother, parang drug addict. Pero yung drug addict na di halata, may business and everything, ganun. Then parang violent siya. So, he knows everything that I went through. Kaya actually, that's the reason why di ako sa bahay nasa-stay. Because of my brother. Kasi yung brother ko, mga around 30, late 30s na, pero single pa din. So, he stays with my parents. And
okay,
he has a girlfriend as well na di ko, I met her once, pero parang basta may nangyari sa younger sister ko, then yung babae, siya yung, I don't know, parang may hatred sa amin or something. Kasi, basta isa lang story pa ba siya, parang gano'n. And, kasi yung parents ng, yung isa sa parents ng boyfriend ko is...
Stop. You're having a difficult time telling me that part of your life. Now, I think there's something there that's too private for you to share. So I can respect that.
Yeah. Papa Jackson, may I say, yung one of his parents kasi sa politics. So, baka yun din. Parang
parents mo? Parents niya?
Parents niya.
Okay.
Oo. Kasi yung nangyari last time, yung girlfriend ng brother ko, like nag-message ng daming tao para ipahiya yung younger sister ko. Parang ganun. So, baka yun yung isang reason. Then, I don't know, baka magulo yung life ko.
Ano na, ma'am?
Baka magulo lang yung life ko for him.
I mean,
be involved with me.
Did that ever become his problem?
Wala. Every time we talk about it, he doesn't say anything. He just tells me like stuff. Pero like what to do. Mga advice konti. But it didn't tell me na it bothers him na ganun.
Oh, okay. What do you want to ask me?
And Kasi pumunta ako sa kanya, Papa Jackson, sa house niya tonight.
Okay.
Pero yung nag-drive is yung friend ko kasi takot ako mag-drive baka nanginginig kasi ako eh.
Mhm.
So, nung pagpunta ko doon, may lumabas na yaya kasi I message him sa number ng friend ko para di naka-block.
Okay.
May lumabas na yaya na dalawa, sabi nila magpapaload daw sila or something. But that was 11 at night na. Magpapaload daw.
Okay.
That's why lumabas. Pero inas ko kasi kung saan yung, yung guy. Sabi niya, nasa Manila daw, sumunod sa mom niya. Pero, knowing him, pag pupunta siya doon, sasabihin niya like, a week before or few days before. But wala naman sinabi. So feel ko, ayaw lang talaga ako kausapin.
So hindi ka nilabas?
Wala. Parang nag-pretend lang yung yaya niya na na magpapaload daw. Kakausap. Like, basta parang ganun.
Okay.
Kasi alam niya, I was outside eh.
What did you want to ask me?
Actually, wala. Wala naman. But, like, ngayon ko lang ito naisip. But, for example, if he really doesn't want to talk to me na, feel ko mahirap kasi mag-move on eh. Kasi wala kang alam bakit kayo nag-break.
No.
I don't know, maybe advice siguro na how to move on from this.
Tonight is not
Kasi,
ganito, Ana.
I'm sorry.
Becca, Ana. Tonight is not the night for us to talk about ways on how to move on. It just happened kanina. It happened today, practically. Wala pang umaga, di ba? So I guess it's just so premature that napaka-premature niya for us to be talking tonight kung paano mag-move on. That will come.
Nag-wonder lang ako.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Kuya. Papa Jackson, bakit ayaw ako kausapin?
Okay. I'll get to that point. Ready?
Yes po.
Okay. I think tonight is not the right time para sagutin natin kung paano mag-move on. That will come. No? Darating yan.
Yes.
One morning it will dawn to you that you have to move on in life nang hindi na siya kasama. After siguro yan ng Becca na maybe some of your questions may be answered, or if not having all those questions may make sense to you. One of two things will happen. Masagot yon or mag-make sense na lang na ayaw yung sagutin. Then maybe tsaka ka pala magtatanong kung mag-move on o hindi or paano. But I guess ang gustong pag-usapan natin is, kaya tinatanong ko sa'yo lahat ng factors eh. Meron ka bang ugali na ayaw niya? Meron bang ganito? Because, alam mo mga lalaki, whether tama ito or hindi, men are black and white people. Men are not complicated to a point that men not being complicated becomes or makes it so complicated. Kasi ang hirap ipaliwanag minsan. But when he told you that he had this moment of reflection sa sarili niya, that included him looking at his future and not seeing you there.
Yeah. Feel ko nga din.
No, yun eh. Yung he was trying to, siguro, he factored in his age, the way things are
Ah,
going right now sa relationship ninyo. And then he looked at his life and nakita niya na, I don't see Becca in my future. Yes, you were saying, ma'am.
um, kasi ang daming nangyari sa amin, Papa Jackson.
Mhm.
First few months, I got pregnant.
Mhm.
Tapos,
May anak kayo, ma'am?
kaso, nagka-miscarriage ako. Probably
Oh.
because of, di ako kumakain that time and parang stress na stress. Di ako
Bakit?
natulog. Kasi di siya parang di siya open na klaseng tao. Like, when we're together, parang mga conversation lang na na di deep. Ganon.
Mhm.
Yun yung na-notice ko sa personality na, kasi this guy, ang second boyfriend ko, yung first boyfriend, parang LDR lang na di naman matagal. Like 1 year LDR, like 4 times nagkita. Then, sa relationship namin, first time ko mag-learn how to be in a relationship at the age of, I don't know, 20 plus. Parang gano'n. 20 plus. Oo, yung first. Then, yung second siya. So, parang, since LDR yung isa, then minsan na nagkita, parang, sinasanay mo pa self mo kung paano to be in a relationship. Then, so when I told him na pregnant ako, parang he didn't say anything. Then, after a few days, parang he helped me naman, ganun. Kaso lang siguro, I felt that time na baka iba din yung love language na hinahanap ko. Parang di ako, pinupuntahan niya ako like every night here. Pero we didn't talk about the pregnancy.
Mhm.
Then, pag di siya pupunta, like, tapos sabi niya one time, papa-doctor kasi ako. Sabi niya,
Okay.
pa-drive ka na lang sa driver, blah, blah, blah. Parang ganun. Parang, so I was like, ano ba, di niya ba gusto to?
Oo, kasi
Ganun.
pa, di ba?
Tapos pwede naman siya mag-leave eh. Kasi may leave siya in a month na, oo. Pero di niya nilaan doon yung leave niya. So, ayun, nagka-miscarriage. But at that time, he asked me to marry him. Then, many times na ina-ask niya ako, nasasama na mag-dinner with the family, ganun. Kasi super complicated naman talaga nung life ko. Kasi like, yung sa mother side ko, yung relatives is lahat outside the country. So, mom ko lang nandito. Then yung dad ko, parang di sila okay ng parents ko. So, di kami na-used na mag-get together with other people, ganun. And at that time, daming nangyayari sa life ko with my brother, ganun. Mga ganung bagay. So, I wanted to, I was thinking at the time na if I got to meet his parents, gusto ko yung nasa okay na state na ako. Yung parang sure na kami sa isa't isa, ganun. And baka that's one of the reasons then. Which is kasalanan ko. I know that. Okay,
Anong
many
part
times
doon ng kasalanan mo?
di ako nagipag-meet sa parents many times. Like, for example, birthday. Then, the parents told them na, pwede na ma-meet yung girlfriend mo. Ganun. I always had an alibi.
So in 5 years,
Why
you've never
couldn't
met
talk?
his parents?
Hindi, but they know about me kasi parang yung mga family friends, kilala nila din. Ask about the place, about the last name, ganun. Parang may tumawag pa nga na relatives sa munisipyo namin to ask about me. So, baka that's one of the reasons. But, we haven't talked about it na...
Okay, Becca, ganito ha.
Mm.
Um, I don't think trying to brainstorm about those circumstances is going to change his decision.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm.
But maybe you can get a clue of what your participation would have been kung bakit baka nakipaghiwalay siya, kung bakit siya nakipaghiwalay. Maybe you're right,
Mm.
no? Maybe your unwillingness to meet up with his parents contributed dun sa pakiramdam niya na you're not really being so that serious to make him a part of your life. Kasi any girls, 'di ba, would die to meet the parents of their boyfriends. You're a different one. Hindi ko magets yung part
Pero
na yun.
kasi siguro dito ako sa place na ngayon sa life ko. I mean, now, parang better na. But
But
at the
that
time,
but that's 5 years. But
sobrang,
that's 5 years.
yeah, siguro nag-reason lang ako.
Yeah. 5
Ah,
years yun eh.
the thing is, di kasi sinabi sa akin na, di kasi namin napapag-usapan. Like, what's wrong with me? What are the things he doesn't like about me?
I'm sorry, hindi ko na, ano yun? Hindi ko na,
Di,
ano po yun?
di siya nagsasabi anything about me kasi. Pero, if I think about it, Papa Jackson, every day, okay naman talaga. Like, usual, good morning, I love you, every day. Yeah. Then, nag-uusap, ganun. Then, all of a sudden, nag-shut lang siya. Kasi before, pag mag-away kami, kahit 1 in the morning, pupuntahan ako dito, kahit may work tomorrow. Mga ganun. But now, I think parang final na talaga siya. Kasi she nice eh. Like, everything I could ask for sa guy. Wala siyang issue, walang anything. He has a good job. And parang dami kaming similarities. Then, the thing is, parang last month lang we talk about yung mga about sa future. And this month, supposedly, invite kasi ako ng dad niya na mag-travel abroad. Kaso lang, at the time, last month, I wasn't sure kung uuwi dito yung auntie ko. So, I need to be with her when she gets here. So, kaya di ako nakapag-okay agad. Kaya di ako sumama. Or So, if I think about it, parang walang signs na coldness. Wala talaga. Out of the blue, sinabi lang. Kasi, like what I said, even last week, sinabi niya sa akin na, kasi yung isang dog, ibibreed namin. So, nag-decide pa siya kung saan namin ibibreed, like a few months from now. Kasi mag-iwan kami ng mga puppies. Ganun. So, I was thinking if like, parang yung idea na to, sa mind niya na for quite some time, I would notice something. Kasi yun yung imagine ko na break up eh. If we ever break up, like, you'd feel na there's something wrong. But, everything's okay. So, I'm not really sure.
Well, again, even if we brainstorm the possible answers to those confusions na meron ka, I think the bottom line is he reflected on this. And maybe you are right. No, that those contributed kung bakit niya naisip makipaghiwalay sa'yo. The bottom line is nakipaghiwalay siya sa'yo. But you know what, listening to you, ako man yung lalaki, iisipin ko na you are not with me for the long run. Kasi you are not willing to be a part of my circle. regardless of your reasons, whether those are true, whether those were valid or those were petty. It did not send a message to him that you want to be a part of his circle. Maybe that's a good lesson to learn.
Pero siguro yung ina-ask ko lang is he could have given me a chance to correct
5 years, Becca.
yung mga
Alam mo, kung meron man siguro tayong sasabihin na mali sa kanya dito is that he was too nice to tell you what were the things that's hurting him. Because I'm sure there were a lot of those. I'm sure he did not wake up one day at ayaw na niya. It was an accumulation of many things. Siguro parte na yun yung kinikwento mo ngayon.
Yeah. I don't know what to do. Actually, nagpa-once ako, Papa Jackson, kanina, di talaga ako makaiyak. Siguro, I'm still in shock. Parang disbelief pa.
Matagal pa yan, ma'am. Matagal pa yan. I'm sure after this, there will be a lot of back and forth between the two of you. Sa hula ko, you're gonna do a lot of efforts to find the answers you think you deserve.
Yeah. I'm thinking of going back kasi kanina, kung ako lang mag-isa, I could have stayed. Kasi alam ko, andun lang siya eh. Kasi parang yung reason ng yaya is lalabas, magpapalo, tatawag sa mom niya kasi yung yaya sa house parang medyo bata pa. Parang weird lang. Then, di siya kakauwi niya lang kahapon, then aalis na naman siya. And knowing him, magsasabi naman if may lakad, ganun. Which it really happens. So, mag-stay sana ako doon just to talk. Iintayin until morning. But, I was with my friends, so sabi ko, maybe I'll just come back na lang. Should I do that?
I think hindi ka namin kayang pigilan. I think you'll do it. So don't ask me questions that you know you'll do it anyway.
Actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it.
Kanina.
You are gonna do it.
I think so.
Ako man eh, I'll do it eh. If I'm in your position, I'll do it. I'll find my answers. I wanna make it make sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yan yung last message ko sa kanya. Kasi I told him na if there's something wrong, like parang there's something wrong with me or things he doesn't like, sabihin niya sa akin. Then, of course, kasi as I said, may mga things talaga ako na ginagawa minsan na like mag-reflect ko the next day. Ay, baka mali yun, ganun. And yun, sabi ko, gagawin ko naman. Yung kung whatever yung gusto niya and if kahit gagawin ko yung things na yun, di pa rin siya, final na siya sa decision niya, I respect it.
No, I'm asking you to just go
lang.
ahead and do it, or I'm telling you that I would understand. Not because I want you to beg for him to come back into your life. No. I just completely understand that you're gonna do it anyways because I just want you to find your answers. You deserve that. Pero hindi para magmakaawa. Hindi para magmakaawa. But just for you to find your answers. Because you deserve that. That would really help you a lot when you want to move forward in life.
Not really beg, but I think I would say that kasi he's been nice to me eh. He was really nice to me. Then, wala akong complaint. Well, of course, little things na matatolerate mo. Pero walang like major thing na di ko gusto sa kanya. Kasi siguro, try ko na sasabihin yun. But if ayaw niya na talaga, if out of love or I don't know what his reason is, then I'll respect it. Man. But I just wanna talk.
Good luck finding the answers you deserve.
Thank you.
Kaya maliwanag ko sinabi sa'yo, umpisa pa lang usapan natin. To answer the question kung paano mag-move on, it's just too soon. It's just too premature.
I'm not really move on, Papa Jackson.
No,
I'm
that's what
just
you asked me
thinking,
kanina in the beginning.
I mean, yeah, but I mean, maka-move on ba talaga if na-ghost ka, na parang di na-answer yung
Hindi ka na-ghost.
questions mo?
He
Yun
said
sa
a proper,
bagay sinabi mo.
he said a proper goodbye to you. Very petty yung paraan niya, but he told you. He ended it. You were informed. Bad trip lang. You would have deserved a better ending than this kasi 5 taon eh.
Yeah, I mean, again, you're right, wrong yung term na ginost. Pero parang sinabi niya lang, then I couldn't say anything. Parang ganun yung na-feel ko kasi
I know.
after that, nung tinawagan ko, di na nag-answer. Then parang goodbye na lang. Pero before that, normal, baka yun yung reason di ako na-prepare kasi before that, okay naman yung conversation. Then out of the blue,
Well, that's the most painful part, no? You did not see it coming. One day you're going to find your answers. One day it will make sense to you. Maybe not yet. Maybe it will take a lot more back and forth between the two of you. Mahaba pa to. Mahaba pa to, Becca. Mahaba pa to.
but
Alam mo,
what if,
alam mo, Becca, diba, falling in love is a long process. Sa kala nila, yung love at first sight, pag nakita mo yung tao, gusto mo, naging kayo in one day. No, it's not that you love that person. You like the person. You want to love the person. But yung love, yung despite of all the bad things na meron siya, that's a long process. Long process yun. In the same manner, separating from the person that you loved is also a long process. If there's any takeaway sa kwento natin ang gabi, it's just that I want you to learn from your own misgivings. I think very telling yun yung he was never able to make you a part of his circle.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Yes, I agree, Papa Jackson. I'm just confused na siguro pa bakit nagkaganito. And kasi like last month, Papa Jackson, in-offer niya pa ako na kasi may pinaplan ako na business. Then medyo short ako sa money. Then he told me na kahit magkano daw, sabihan ko lang. So, to me, I was thinking na, baka nag-ano na siya, like, nag-think a life with me kasi di ka naman bibigay kahit magkano lang if wala kang plan to be together with the person.
Long term na. But you know,
Yeah.
things changed. And you know what? People change. And he did.
Yeah.
Right?
Pero nakwento niya sa akin na nagka-girlfriend siya before. Siya yung nakipag-break din kasi pupunta Manila to go to school. Nag-usap sila daw. Parang sinat niya, mag-usap sila. Ganun. Then they ended things between them. Then ganun din nangyari sa before sa akin. Nag-usap sila through chat. Then inend niya. Na-end nila na okay kasi nag-usap pa sila. Nagkita sila. Siguro. So I'm just wondering why with me he can't do that.
It's sad that you have to resort to comparing yourself to an ex-lover of your ex-boyfriend.
Siguro now I sound okay, but
You're not okay. It hasn't sunk
yeah.
in yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Kasi, I don't know. Ako-confused lang siguro ako. Pero it's okay naman siguro to just wait outside the house, no? I think lalabas
I
din.
don't know if that's right. But I will not stop you. As your friend, I will not stop you if you really want to do, come up with ways on how to talk to him personally. Because he owe that to you. You deserve that.
Mm-mm.
You deserve answers. It would really help you to move forward.
Yeah.
I'm sorry you had to go through this, ma'am.
Sorry, Papa Jackson, baka ang petty ng
No, no, no,
tawagan
no,
ko.
no, 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 no. Not at all. Not at all. Not at
It's
all.
just I can't tell anybody about it.
I know.
Kasi,
I understand, ma'am.
parang first time in my life na-imagine ko na yung life ko with somebody eh. Parang, yung plans ko, included na siya. And may plan ako na mag-abroad before. Kasi di nga okay yung family dito. Kasi lahat ko na kapatid sa abroad na. Parang nag-abroad sila para makalayo. So, I wanted to do the same thing kasi lang I met him. So, I decided to stay. And now, if I'm gonna, di ko alam nga kung anong, parang too late na to para mag-abroad. I don't know.
I don't know if that would help you, go ahead. Have a vacation, i-feel mo yung bansang yan. Anong bansa yan? Canada, America, Dubai?
Kahit, siguro, summer na maging,
Europe?
maging citizen. Ganun. Parang mag-migrate eventually.
Go ahead.
But, there are a lot of factors to consider din naman kasi my age, I'm 35. So if I go there, then it would take some years siguro to meet somebody kasi I'd be busy. And yung biological, body clock. Sorry. What's the term for that? Biological clock? Is that right po?
Yes. You are a woman, you have eggs in your ovary. So,
Yeah.
I know. I would understand your biological clock.
Yeah, so, I don't know. Sinabi ko din before, the reason I stayed here is, because of them. But, wala eh. Maybe learn from it na lang.
Well,
I'm thinking maybe I was too honest, Papa Jackson. But, I was too honest about everything about me, like my family.
No. There's no too honest for being too honest. It's just being honest.
So I have trauma na ako na next.
No. You were not wrong for being honest and transparent sa kanya. You were not wrong for allowing him to see through your weaknesses and faults in life, your flaws in your family, because you've been together for 5 years. It was okay.
I'm just worried na so this part lang ako parang naiiyak. I'm just worried na as a next relationship, so if they find out about it, they leave as well, or they won't think long term. I don't know.
Were you a victim of something?
I'm sorry.
Were you a victim of something?
Physical violence, ganun. Pero yung brother ko kasi parang until now violent. Di lang yung 5 times na sapak. Parang torture ganun. Then parang may attitude siya eh. Dami na siyang mga blotter sa PlayStation.
Okay.
So, Baka yung major reason din na especially sa
No, no,
politics
no,
mo.
no, no, no.
Pero,
I don't think it was enough kung mahal ka niya. But he made his choice. He left.
yeah, that's true.
Becca,
Yes po.
it's going to be long days and long nights after this. And
Actually, before him,
I want you to remember
I'm sorry.
something I'm going to tell you. Not all of the
Yes po.
questions you've got in mind, not all of the questions you've got in mind will deserve an answer. Not all. One day, you will just stop asking questions because it made sense na lang. Kahit hindi nasagot.
Yeah, but maybe I'll try. So, kasi yung reason also is baka mag-regret ako in
Baka baka ba?
the future. Baka mag-regret po ako na
Mag-regret?
di ko man lang tinry na to find out.
Well, that's what I was saying. I'm sure you're going to
Yeah.
find out. I don't know how soon, but you are going to find out.
And I don't know, baka na ano ako na baka yung future boyfriend ko, let's say,
No, 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 no,
magka-boyfriend
no, no, no,
ako.
no, no. We cannot answer questions and
And-
and try to solve problems that are not yet a problem.
What I wanna say, Papa Jackson, is baka i-compare ko kasi this guy parang perfect sa
Again, ulitin ko,
gusto ko talaga.
Becca, ulitin ko. We cannot solve problems that are not yet problems.
Yes po. Mm. Mm.
Cry if it's painful, it's okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what to feel talaga. Like, nasasayangan ako sa years.
I know.
Then now, balik na naman sa
Yes,
getting to
Becca.
know each other stage.
No, not yet. You can be single for a while. Ba't mo iniisip agad yan?
Yeah. I mean, dadating sa point na naman na magka-boyfriend.
Well,
Siyempre,
that's the circle of life. That's how life works. Alam mo, not all of us are destined to have a partner. Not all of us are destined to be happy. Not all of us are destined to be sad. Not all of us are destined to go through hardships. Not all of us, no? We have our own insignificant purposes in this world. And sometimes early on you get to realize what's your purpose. And sometimes it comes later in life. What's your purpose? I don't know what's at store or for you sa buhay na to, Becca. I just know that right now, your biggest battle is to accept the guy that you love for 5 years said goodbye to you already.
Wait ko lang mag-sink in kasi
Yep. It
baka
will not happen tonight.
And yung nag-stick sa akin sa sinabi niya, it would be unfair daw na sa akin na i-continue niya yung
Yes,
relationship
he is
if he
right.
has doubt.
He's right. It will be unfair na i-continue niya if he's already dragging his feet just to be around you.
Mhm. So I'm thinking, should I leave it like that na lang po? Or,
I don't.
I'll go there to find my answers. Baka kasi yung sinabi.
Becca, ganito I don't know the answer to that question. I just know that I'm sure that one way or the other, you're going to find the answers. You are going to find the answers. I do not know how. But you know how crazy life is, no? The truth has its own unique ways of reaching us, if we deserve to know it. Okay? There's nothing we can solve tonight. we're just trying to make sense of those negligible things that we can make sense of. Hanggang doon lang tayo ngayon.
Mm-mm. Ah, mm. Kaya ko ba 'to?
Of course. Of course, kaya mo yan.
You know what, Papa Jackson, kanina I was thinking na, I'll end my life na lang baka
No.
I don't know, may mga thoughts ako
You
gano'n.
know, alam mo,
Ah.
Becca, these are the thoughts that crosses our minds. But like the fact that we're here tonight, magkausap tayo, ano? That says a lot about your determination to go on with life.
Kasi I may not sound like super depressed, but
No, you
yung
are,
feeling
no.
ko talaga right now.
You sound so down. I can tell. I've been doing this for a long time.
I'm just sad kasi di man lang kami nakapag-usap.
Makakapag-usap kayo, promise.
But he
Ah,
blocked me.
no.
No. And he didn't even wanna see me kanina.
Makakapag-usap kayo,
Sabi,
promise.
because I will try.
One way or the other, the universe will find its way para makapag-usap kayo. You are gonna get your answer. I promise you that. Whether you are going to like the answer or not, you're gonna get it somehow.
Yeah, I hope so.
Tonight is not the night wherein there are certainties about things because it just happened kanina. If there is anything that I can do for you, eto, kinausap kita.
Thank you for that.
No, my point, no. I did not say that para for you that you owe me. No, I'm telling you that because nag-usap tayo, hanggang doon lang yan. There is nothing we can solve tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was also thinking kanina kasi they were usually, you always say na, what's your question? I couldn't think of anything nga.
Baka wala naman talaga, Becca.
Yeah, probably I just need to let it all out.
Before I let you go tonight, I want you to remember a few things. Ready?
Yes.
I want you to remember that however painful your heartache tonight, you are still in a far better position than most people on earth. Tandaan mo yan. No matter how painful the heartaches that you are going through tonight, you are still far better, in a far better position than most people on earth tonight. This sounds like a little bit of gaslighting or romanticizing your pain. I'm not. I'm just telling you. Sometimes when we go through something difficult, pakiramdam natin, it's the end of the world. It is not. It's the end of a chapter. It's the end of a chapter. And ending a chapter is rather painful. I will not take that away from you. It is painful. Yung sakit na parang nakakamatay. May panghihinayang, may sakit, may hinagpis, may tanong. But when a relationship ends, it's a chapter.
Mm-hmm.
And I want you to come to a point someday that when you look at this chapter of your life, you're gonna be proud of what you have become when you ended it. That you're gonna go through so much pain, it's going to break you into a million pieces, and yet you'll come out stronger. I do not know all the answers to your questions tonight. It just happened today. Kanina lang. I just know this is painful, and I just know you're going to survive this. Right?
Yes, po.
Promise me you'll survive this.
Yes.
And when
Yes,
you're
Papa.
and when you're better, you update me we're gonna talk.
I hope it happens soon. Kasi I went through, kasi when I get depressed, I don't eat, I don't sleep. I just don't want to go through that sana, but
Well,
I have
go
to
eat.
go through
Go
it.
eat.
Ay, parang ganun talaga ako. Parang pag stress, kahit stress lang ako, di ako makakain. Last time, nung first relationship ko na 1 year na 5 times lang kami nagkita in a year, I lost, I don't know, basta yung weight ko is 30 something na lang.
Um,
Ah,
Becca,
yes po.
I'm excited for you to find your match one day. A guy who will deserve how you sacrifice for a relationship. A guy who can make you feel that it's okay to be a part of a circle.
Yeah.
That day will come. You're young. You're just 35. In today's standard, 35 is young.
Yes po.
Ingat ka palagi, ha?
Yes po. Thank you so much.
Please, mag-update ka sa akin when things are better. I will look forward to that day. You're going to remind me how down you were. And I will tell you when that day comes, I will tell you, you know what? I'm proud. You survived it. So one day mag-update ka sa akin. Promise?
Yes po. Thank you.
Good morning, Becca.
Yeah. Yes, my name.